something really quite serious was taking place.
I mean, from what you say, Dan, people had almost no chance to react, to get out of the way.
They didn't, but people did scatter incredibly quickly. But obviously, yeah, as we've heard, you know, a lot of people have been injured in this incident. So yeah, clearly not everyone was able to get out of the way in time, and no real surprise because the car did accelerate very, very quickly into the crowd.
And I mean, for those who were watching who weren't directly involved, presumably